What's up, my babies? Welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley, and today I'm bringing you this beautiful start to finish install courtesy of Bestlacewig. They sent over this beautiful kinky straight lace wig, and as you guys can see, I executed this one to perfection. So if you're interested in seeing how we got this look, keep on watching. So for starters, here's the packaging, and of course they included tons of goodies. This is the wig straight out of the box. This is going to be a straight out of the box install for all of my girlies who just don't like doing a million steps. Here is a look at the wig on. It fits nice and snug, and they included this new innovative baby hair. It's like already short, it's already textured. It has like a kinky curly vibe to it, so it just gives el natural. Here I am showing you the inside construction of the cap. This one is a 13x6, and as I mentioned, it does fit snug. So I ordered this from I Am Ming Lee. Her website, I believe, is Snob Life. You can check it out. I'll have it linked in the description box. And this is her non-glue glueless adhesive. I thought I would support another black girl in this world of black-owned businesses. I think it's great to support one another. It smells good, and it definitely did amazing. I only had to do one thin coat, and it definitely got the job done, so make sure you check it out. I went ahead and put my melt belt from Bedeck Beauty on top. Now I'm going to go in and add some wax to the parting. We started off with the bust down middle part. As it was already pre-parted, feel free to change up the parting and do a side part, ponytail, bun, whatever you choose. I love to pair my wax stick with the electric hot comb. This one also comes from bedeckbeauty.com, and I love that it goes up to 500 degrees. So with coarser textures like this one, I'm able to go in and really get a hard press and just make sure that everything looks amazing. For the ends, I did the chase method with my Babyliss flat iron. Also linked in the description box. You can definitely put a light curl in this wig as well, and I think that would be super fun, like a ponytail up top, the end straight down, and like some little curls bumped at the end. I think that would be super fun, especially for the holidays. Here's what the wig looks like from the back. All of the specs are in the description box. Once the wig was done drying, I went ahead and removed my Bedeck Beauty melt belt and proceeded to just cut off the excess lace. As I mentioned, this new adhesive, I loved it because I only put down one thin coat, and I didn't have to go in and touch it up too much. This here is a edge control from bedeckbeauty.com, and we're going to just apply this generously along the hairline as we play and decide what we actually want to do with our baby hair. I like to take a little dollop on the back of my wrist to help it to warm up, and I'll just go in and just, use it as I need it. This helps to not have to keep reaching for the entire tube, and I definitely love the baby hair that came with this wig. It definitely had that nice kinky curly texture to begin with, but as you guys can see, if you want to transform it and add a little edge control, it definitely is versatile in that it can pretty much do whatever texture, whatever you want. If you wet the hair, it's going to get more curly. If you add your edge control and kind of just force it as a swoop baby hair, it'll also do that as well. Keep in mind that I do love baby hair, but if this is not your jam, I would highly recommend that you skip this step. You can send it all back if you want it to be smooth, or you can keep it curly. The choice is yours. I'm going to take and do a 2 French braid, cornrow, whatever you call them. Matter of fact, let me know in the comments, what do you call these? Growing up, we called them cornrows. I feel like as we've gotten older, we've said French braids, Dutch braids, I really don't know. But what I do know is I am very much interested in learning how to do a fishtail braid. I'm thinking about getting a wig head to kind of practice some of my craft. Also get a load of how beautiful the lace is. I love the fact that when you part it out, it just looks so natural. I did reattach the melt belt just so that as I'm braiding, I wouldn't have to worry about the lace lifting or anything like that. And this is the final look. Okay, my babies, so we are done styling this look. Off camera, I went ahead and re-braided this one, and they're still not perfect, but it was a little bit too crazy for my comfort at first. So we did opt for baby hair in the front. You guys seen like the curly baby hair they provided? Super beautiful, super awesome, and it makes for such realistic soft baby hair that I am definitely here for it. I am definitely subscribed. Now the lace I wanted you guys to see needs no product. I probably shouldn't add this. Let me actually go back and close this up, because sometimes you will add product and you will ruin it. So here I feel like it needs a little bit. And I'm just gonna go in and add, blend out, lightly add, blend out. And I think that works better than the powder. Lately the powder that I've been using is a little bit darker than my complexion, so I feel like if I add that, it's gonna definitely not give, it's gonna take away from what we already given. But I do want to add something to make sure that we are covered and everything is given. Now if this is too much baby hair for you, then do less or none at all. But this is just what I was feeling today, and I really do enjoy the way it came out. A lot of the times I will use like a rag to blend my concealer out, but I actually like how it feels to blend it out with my fingers. Like your fingers, your hands are warm enough that it definitely will give a better blend. This one happens to be a 13x6 lace front wig. It is 20 inches in length, 150% density, and then it's a new Clean Hairline Kinky Straight lace wig. So what more would you want than that? In the box, they did give us a goodie bag. They also gave us an adjustable band to add. Whenever I use a little bit of a glue adhesive to bob my wigs down, I just don't feel the need to add the band. Now, if I want to wear it day to day, the band definitely is going to give me a little bit more support in holding the wig down. And then the goodie bag definitely has your wig caps. You get 2 clippies, and then you get the baby hair brush in the color black, and then you also get a thing of the flyaway tamer. So you are literally set the little, you know, a little care package which will help you to slay your wig. Of course, the wig is listed in the description box. As far as the install and style, I love the fact that I didn't have to pluck the hairline. I didn't have to bleach the knots. I didn't really have to do any customizations. I love a good 6 inches of parting. I just love everything about this one. Although we did straighten it out, it didn't really tame it. It just smoothed it out to give more of a finished look, opposed to like having like bends and, you know, creases in it from shipping and handling. So with all that being said, be sure to check out the description box, as I think I already mentioned a few minutes ago, for links and lists of everything we used. I did use this new product. This is an adhesive from Ming Lee on Instagram. I went ahead and purchased it to support a Black owned business, and I really liked it because it definitely bonded the wig down. It is a light hold adhesive, just like, you know, your Got2b glues, your Ebens in that genre. It has a great smell to it, and I definitely had no complaints with this one, and I didn't even have to go back in and touch up. So I will be using this a lot more often in my rotation, and I'll be letting you know more and more how I love it. I'll have it in the description box as well. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.